welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, remember to subscribe. So in this video I'm going to be telling you if Vanity Planet spin brushes work. Yes, does Vanity Planet spin brushes work? And I'm going to give you my honest opinion. In some of my previous videos I did say I use my Vanity spin brush to exfoliate my legs. I had the Vanity spin brush that came with 3 different heads. So it came with the body head, which was quite wide. It came with a smaller one, which was the gentle brush head, and then it came with the exfoliating brush head. And I used the exfoliating brush head like every day. I would use it like twice a day. I didn't even bother to use the gentle one. I just made sure I used the exfoliating one every day because my skin needed extra exfoliation, because the skin cells on my skin just didn't shed as much as the normal person, the ordinary person. They just don't shed as much, so I have to do extra exfoliating for my skin. So in saying that, as I said, I did use the big part to exfoliate my legs, which was perfect. Like, I really loved using it in the shower. It's really great, especially if you have like strawberry legs or ingrown hairs and you really want to just get them gone, get them removed and just exfoliate. So at first, initially, I purchased the other spin brush, not this one because I'm going to be talking about both of them, but I purchased the original one. I forgot what it's called, but you'll probably see it in some of my other videos on strawberry legs. I think it's in my body care video routine, my body care routine. So I purchased that one first, and within about 3 months, I think, or 4 months, it stopped working. And I was thinking, this is a bit strange, like why has it stopped working? And I opened it, I opened like the battery part, and in the battery part was kind of rusty and orangey. So it had seen that the water, obviously as I was using it to wash my face or my legs, the water had got into the battery part. But on the product, on the description of the product, it says that the product is waterproof. So they know you're going to use it with water, they know you're going to use it in the shower, the bath, or obviously to rinse or wash your face. So, you know, them saying it's waterproof kind of was like, well, it basically, to me, I think it's very easy for water to get in to this product. So after about 3 months that happened. One thing that I can say about Vanity Planet is that you do get 1 year's warranty, and there's no hassle. Like, if you have a problem and you tell them like my spin brush has stopped working, you just have to like reference your order number to them literally in an email. They do reply to you within about 2 or 3 days, which is okay. You just reference your product number or your, you know, your transaction number in an email, and they ask you, yeah, what the problem is. Really very simple, and then they have one out to you within a week or 2. Sometimes it can take a week, sometimes it can take 2 weeks. I think if you need it desperately, it's kind of annoying because some people cannot live without the spin brush. Like, I feel like I could not live without a spin brush. But yeah, that's what happened. So I think it's great that they give 1 year's warranty and they literally replace it like that. They don't ask you to send it back, they just replace it. So I got my replacement. I was really happy, and I just couldn't wait to use my spin brush. And the same thing happened again after 3 months. So this was a bit irritating because, you know, sometimes you just need it ASAP and you don't want to have to wait, you don't want to have to send emails, you just don't want to go through the effort. But as I said, it is great that they do 1 year's warranty because it's definitely going to break down within 3 months. It's just the fact that it's very easy for water to get inside, and then the water gets in near the battery part and it causes it to rust, and then it just causes the machine or whatever it's called to break down and no longer work. So I purchased the original one, and I'm going to talk to you about this one. This is the Ultimate Spa one. So this one's a bit more pricier than the original one. And when I purchased this one, I thought it was going to be a lot different. I thought it was going to be harder for the water to get in this one, but unfortunately the same thing happened. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, so it gets really rusty and a lot of rust gets in there when you're using it. I think that they can make a way for the water to not get in there so easily, but you know, maybe it's their way of making you want to purchase another one. But the 1 year's warranty is great, but say after 1 year the warranty runs out, what are you going to do? And if you haven't purchased it on discount, that could be like very devastating for you, because like full price they're like £97 or something, and I purchased mine on a discount for like £20 or £30. So I don't necessarily think Vanity spin brushes work very well to me. Like, they always have a problem. After about 3 months they'll stop working. As I said, again, the warranty is good, but when it stops working and you need your spin brush and you have acne prone skin, you do not want to sit and wait for 2 weeks or a week for your spin brush to come in the post. You don't want to sit around waiting for that delivery. You don't want to use a flannel or a washcloth or something else to exfoliate your skin. You don't want to do that. So what I did do is I bought a spin brush from Primark. So I don't know if any of you have purchased, or I don't know if I've spoke about the spin brush I bought from Primark. I think I spoke about it in one of my videos, but yeah, I purchased that, and I must say the way they have made it is a lot different to the Vanity Planet one. Where the water can get into the Vanity Planet one, the Primark one is made so differently that it's almost impossible for the water to get in, so it's a lot more durable. And I've opened it a few times and I found that no water has gotten in it, and I think it was only £15, and I think, you know, congratulations Primark for doing something like that. And this big brand Vanity Planet has not made a product so that is so expensive, so like durable, to last and just, you know, make the customer feel very comfortable and at ease. So to round up, I was not happy with my Vanity Planet spin brushes. I had to purchase 2, and I still wasn't happy with the more pricier one because water consistently gets in them, and I don't have the time to be constantly renewing my warranty and having to send off for a new one all the time. So I've been using the Primark one, and it's been working very well. I don't think any water has got in it so far, but if anyone wants me to do a separate video on the Primark one and show you like what it looks like, what it does, how much batteries it takes, if it's really good, how much brush heads it comes with, anything like that, just comment below and just let me know, because I'll literally run you through it, because I don't think I have spoke about that one, but it's really, really good. And it has all these features, like literally, that the Vanity Planet one doesn't have, and it's only £15, and it's Primark. So if anyone wants to know any information about that one, just let me know. That's all for now, guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this topic interesting, if you have a Vanity Planet spin brush, or if you were thinking about getting one, give my video a thumbs up. Make sure you comment below, tell me your views, tell me your thoughts, tell me your views about my views of my thoughts. If you feel like I'm wrong, let me know. We can have a debate. Or if you think that I'm right, you know, let me know. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in my next one.